this is the inside of our condo unit. We are welcomed by the snacks, and then this little note which said, Miss Emily and the gang welcome. And then we had the slippers so that we can wear it inside the condo unit. It was very organized by the owners. And this is the sala, and the rules were plastered in a frame. And then I turned on the AC, and what's Eli without the music? So hello YouTube. And then I went to the veranda with a view of the beautiful Iloilo. And this is room 1, which is quite small, but it's quite comfy with spare beddings, extra towels and blankets, and then pillows. And this is room 2. As you can see, it's very spacious with a mirror. Yes, and then there's a big closet, and then there's a view of the pool. It's nice. Hi guys, it's Eli. Next is our restroom. It has a warm light with free hand soap and toiletries. And I was so happy to see these freebies. And this is the kitchen area. There's an oven, and there's a stove, and there's a dishwashing liquid and hand soap, free coffee and water. And then there's the refrigerator. It's very empty, and microwave above the ref. So it's very complete with the utensils, the bowl, and the plates. Complete siya guys, as in wala ko gibalo para ani uban, pero na toaster, na ay ladle. Tagan jud kaayo. Na ay rice cooker and cleaning materials. Na ay Downy, na ay Breeze, and also washing machine. This is Mom Bets and I bonding time. Naapod ay ni, hey. Hi Mitch. Mitch will be staying with us. So, for may kabuok sa isa ka condo unit with 2 rooms. So, mauni ang condo's amenities na siya garden inside. Nice biya siya, kaya na siya pa-fountain, walag wala siya ning fountain ng water. And this is the pool area. Nice siya, bahalag neat, no? Walking with Mitch. And ani jud po if bagwang place sa ako, familiarize jud ako. Time check 11 PM pero maora among dinner, Food Panda. Nagbilar jud mi para mag plancha, steam na mo kay para ready to wear na siya. Grabe na ning kamot jud si Eli, no. Diba? Time check 12 o'clock. So mananam. Okay. So matulog na tano. Ay di pa day skincare pa di ay. Okay, sleeping time. Good night, Mitch. Okay, we are here at Iloilo Convention Center. This is step 1. Ask niya guys, pero okay ra kung naaman silang Kes, Mitch, and May. By step ni siya guys, ang step 1 is event ID. Grabe jud ka tabian ni Eli. Grabe. So okay na akong event ID. Step 2 is place card. This is the name na ibutang mo sa table for reservation. I bumped into Mom Juvie and I bumped into our college history. Step 3 na guys, convention kit. Diri na ihatag ang mga tote bag and all na naisulod. Pwede na nato i-claim ang itong mga freebies. Ta-feel dyan akong giyon na guys, kaya heart-heart ang mata and sa gopyon, kibala na mo, and Unilove. Ay pa free games and Unilove. Actually, daghan jud kayo ko gilinyahan ani na day kay this day is for claiming of kits and claiming of the freebies sa mga lain-lain kumpanya. And then this is my favorite one, the Swipe RX. Ikapila na jud ko nakadaog ani nila. Na ay free batchoy for lunch paired with Pocari Sweat. Kani guys, you know what it is? Betadine, gilinyahan jud nako, isa ni siya sa pinaka-generous nga muhatag. So, abi ninyo first floor ang naay freebies. No, naapay second floor. It doesn't stop there. Daghan kayo like Watsons, like Farex, and then Rhea. Daghan kaayo jud of freebies which I enjoyed a lot. Walking distance naman ang condo unit na mo from the icon ni uli mi kay grabe kabugat jud ang ako ang na-claim. This is from Unilove, Centrum, Nice Tibia, and then Syndex. Ihan ay na nako para di na maglisod if mag-impake na. Half of the day is claiming kits and half of the day is laag. We went to Marriott Hotel which is walking distance tampod sa mong condo unit. Kaya dito nagstay si Kes o si Queen. At last na ang 2 rich titas na mo. Since taas-taas pa man among time, gitour mi nilang Kes and Feeling sa gym area. And then, sa pool area. Grabe pa ning kamo. Sige, bahala ginit. Okay, nag-gym pod ang mga correct. The tour starts now. The tour is guided by Gizea Ramos, since taga-diri ang iyang fiancé. One of the things na naka-amaze nako sa Iloilo is ilang dalan is very clean jud, grabe. Bahalag init oy basta na picture. Basta kung asa mo ipangdala ni Kes, sunod-sunod jud ni. This museum's ambience is very, very nice. Next stop is La Paz Public Market. Atubangan is ang JD. Nice daw kayo ilang pastries ani according to Kes. So gitryan na mo. Gipalitan jud na mo klase-klase nga flavor nga butterscotch. And then gitry na mo isa-isa kung unsay nice. And also their Brazo de Mercedes nga ube. Okay, hungit-hungit time. Mura jug mama. Awa unsa kagubot ang aftermath namo. O di ba? Ang tilaw-tilaw lang jud. This is Smudge Cafe. Dugay na kaini siya sa Iloilo and sikat sila for their coffee. And then I tested their strong coffee with milk. It's actually very nice. Nantawa, makita niyo akong reaction. Oh. Reaction ni Kling. Strong jud siya. For me, their prices are affordable and worth it. Next is the ever-famous siopaw nga ang ako jud ning gi-request ni Kes. Their closing time is 5 PM pero niadto mi dito 4:50 PM. Di jud mahimutang akong kalag if di ko makatilaw sa meatballs and siopaw. Their meatballs are okay, medyo sweet siya sa ilang taste buds. Pero for me, it's delicious. Grabe kadako jud ilang siopaw, na amaze kasi kasi siya picture. Oh, say lasa Kes. We ordered 2 king siopaws. For me, okay ra siya. Daghan lang jud siya sulod. Panit-panit time. Kaya na Kes, 9/10 siya for me. Nabusog na kay ko pero ni adto jud mi sa Alicia's para ma-taste namo ang Ilonggo Bok Choy. Gamay ra ilang place pero daghan mo tultol sa ila. Nangayo ra man unta mig bowl pero giservan mi each og dagkong bowl with sabaw.
First try. Nagling-ling.
Kot hindi akjud kaayo ko kay pati ilang patis medyo tamis lang sabaw tamis. Mo jud tali ni ang sa Iloilo no kay murag more on sweet side
Patis.
sila. Mo akong napansin. We've decided that Festive Walk Iloilo will be our last stop since it is near to our place. Pag-abot namo is almost close na tanan. Closing time na sa mall. So, wala mi nabay, ning detso na lang mi sa K-Town. Walking. Wa pa sila nabusog guys, nagbay pa sila og food. Pero ako busog na kayo ko, wa ko kasabot sa kong gibati. Daghan kayo diri og food and very cheap lang jud siya guys. My friends dined at some random resto. Pero ako, very full naman ko and I decided na magsima-sima na lang. So here I am sa Rustans. Nag-enjoy ra pug kog lantaw-lantaw sa mga new sa kong ice. Ending salad ready ay ang ako ang gipalit.